Are you looking forward to fix DoorDash login error? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. You have to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi. Sometimes the Wi-Fi might be weak and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If not, simply move into Safari. In the address bar, search for DoorDash outage. Now head over to the very first site, DoorDash down, current problems and outage. In this page, check whether the server of DoorDash is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server of DoorDash has been fixed, the issue might also be fixed. If not, the next thing you wanna try doing is move into the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for DoorDash. Click on this app right here. Right here, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, now move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. Scroll down and click on VPN and device management. Make sure that the VPN is turned off. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.